Kilabotitos. Kasi di ba, first time niyo perform together.
Together,
Whose
yes.
idea was it and how did
The
it
title,
work out?
Kilabotitos, well, our director, si Paolo Bustamante, a good friend, called me and said, what if mag-concert ka ni Ogie? Ganito ganyan. And then, parang, ang ganda. Tapos ang ganda ng title, and then the concept, and tapos first time namin nag-brainstorm about the concert. And wala kang ginawa kundi tumawa lang ng tumawa sa mga kalokohan namin. And the music that yung setlist namin. So, I had so much fun. Enjoy it.
Was it hard to choose the songs for this?
Yes and no, because there's so many, but trying to narrow it down to 2 hours, I think, was the challenge. But baala na si Batman, hindi ko alam. I'll probably have a long concert.
How did you choose? Is there a story behind each song or just your favorites that you chose and put together?
I think it's more of the latter, our favorites. Although we also didn't want to sing songs that are kind of, gas, So,
Of course, fresh pa rin.
Right, yeah. So, of course, our take is always fresh. And we have a great band performing.
How did you know that you would jive? Were you friends before?
In our past life, yeah, because I was a king, and I was an emperor. You were a juggler.
Pero Dina, si Ogie nag-produce ang show ni Ian in Color last year sa Music Museum July.
We've known each other a long time. We have a lot of common friends. So.
Yeah, because people can work together and not be friends, diba? So,
Can you name some people who are that way? I like that.
imagine ko na
You gave us an idea.
During the concert.
You gave us an idea.
Okay, and then last question. Bakit Titos? Titos na ba talaga yung tingin niyo sa sarili? You don't look like it still have that young vibe.
So desirable pa rin sila for you, Dina.
Hindi ko alam.
Because, nandun na kami sa age na people start calling you Tito, the younger generation and stuff. And, it's actually so cool to be a Tito.
Nice.
I have no problems with that. Kasi, parang it tells you of your experiences in life, you've paid your dues, so yun. Pareho kami.
Don't get offended if people...
No, not at all. Pareho kami na we're proud to be Titos. And yun, age is, kasama talaga yung age sa natin. And hindi kami yung tipong susubukan namin lagi nang magpabata and maintain that, pretend to be 21 or 25 our whole lives. No, that's not us. And it's not mentally healthy. And also, it's no fun. I mean, it's fun to mature and, all parts of you, physically, your sense of humor, your sensibility, and wala lang. It's so much fun.
Last pala, I remember something. Kasi di ba concerts have been cancelled because of the coronavirus?
Right, yeah.
So you think
not all.
it's mga international acts yata coming in. So you think it's a good thing for local performers? Would you be able to take advantage of that?
Now I realize the slant of your. Is it a good thing for us? Actually, a lot of local concerts have also taken precaution, I should say, of canceling.
Like us, we have precaution.
Right.
Same as the airports and stuff.
I don't know if it's. I think the whole world is affected by this thing. I just want to announce on the show itself, we will be screening people. Well, not di kami dalawa lang, but so just to make sure that everybody's okay. So, yeah.
Pero hindi naman no mask, no entry. Hindi naman.
Nasa sa inyo yan.
Hindi, tsaka pati kami.
Kasama kami doon. They'll make sure na kahit kami, wala kami lagnat or...
Mahirap kumanta ng may mask eh. So,
Ay, hindi kami makilala.
Joke! Joke! I'm sure may magmamask dyan and that's perfectly fine. That's okay. Sorry.
Oh. At dahil kanina pinag-uusapan ngayon nag-trending na jacket na Gucci, eto, ipaparapol po natin.
Wow!
Sa mga mag-stay up to 3 a.m. na walang alisan, okay?
Floral yan,
3
mahirap
a.m.
isuot yan,
on
ah.
Sunday. On Sunday po, hindi po 3 a.m. mamaya. Okay? Eto yun.
Wala
Okay.
kang idea, Ogie, na sinuot na niya yan.
Hindi. Alam ko yung mga BTS papakita ko sa inyo yung mga picture kanina kasi pinost ng mga fans. Yung BTS, I think Taijun. Ano ba yun? Si Vice. Actually, nahihirapan ako magsuot ng ganyan kasi sobrang floral. Yun. Kaya lang, ito yung concept din sa ASAP. So, sinakyan ko na rin. And, yun lang.
Tsaka ang bongga ha, made in the Philippines.
Juicy.
Suspended.
So, ayan
Ogie,
po.
maraming nag-tweet na nag-request ng collaboration sa inyo ni Jay.
Yeah. Uy, nagpo-follow ko sa Twitter
Yes,
Siya
Korean
nag-request na rin mo.
At kilala mo siya, ha? Totoo,
Korean
kilala
fan
mo
siya.
Korean fan.
Kaya nakikita ko na
Okay. Hindi pa naman kami umaabot sa ganon. Although right now, I have to admit, nakikinig ako ng music nila. So, nag-tweet nga ako kanina on repeat yung one of their songs, You Are Beautiful. Kanina. Ganda. Bale, pakinggan mo. Iba siya.
Wala yan kay Ryan ba?
Ay,
Ako magkukulab ako kay Ryan.
so, wala pa namang ganon.
Pero pili ka, kasi nga nag-request sila eh.
Nahiya ako kasi bata-bata pa nun eh. Parang, type nila, di ba? In fact, some of their fans, ginagawa nila, yung music ko, tapos sila yung kumakanta. Gumawa sila ng mga video, tapos gumawa sila ng tribute. I think it's called cartoon something. Kaming dalawa ni Jay na nakaganyan. Bumabata ako, in fairness.
Pero in the past kasi, pag yung mga Korean napapansin yung mga Filipino artists, parang sinasabi, naiingit sila doon sa mga Filipino artists dahil maswerte raw napansin ng Korean. Sa case mo iba, si Jay daw maswerte dahil napansin.
Oo,
Oo, yun ang sinasabi niya.
talaga.
At least kilala na namin si Jimmy. No?
Hindi maganda kung gano'n.
Kasi bago pa lang kasi sila.
Oo nga. Ano pa sila eh, wala pang bahid na ano eh. They seem to be like a band who really did well with their first few albums, pero parang kinukuha pa nila yung market. I think tuntua sila na madami silang fans sa Philippines. So, yun. Okay.
Thank you. Alam mo, naghintay talaga si Binya. Pinabayaan niya yung early bird dun sa kabila. Oo. Katungkol sa jacket na to. Kasi Korean,
Pakita ko sa iyo yung mga picture.
Wait, pero eto nga, speaking of Korean, ako kasi, nanood ako, tinapos ko yung 16 episodes ng Crush on You. Dahil sa pinopost mo, di ba? Hindi lang si Regine, ang dami mo na influence, pakaganda. Meron ka bang kakantahin na?
Wala eh.
Dapat
Kasi yung mga
meron.
tita hindi yata nanonood. Hindi, nanonood sila ng
Hindi ba,
kulay, no?
titos and titas nga daw yung di ba?
Hindi namin napag-usapan eh.
Mas maraming nanonood na titos and titas, mas makaka-relate sila yan.
Beautiful life. Beautiful life yan.
Nanonood ang ano sa'yo.
Nanood ka talaga.
Nanonood ako, tinapos ko.
My destiny.
Paulit-ulit nga ako dahil mabilis
Kita mo
ako
naman,
sa
no?
subtitles.
Isa ka rin palang hampas lupang Chloe, ano? Trabaho.
Actually, si Binya, pupunta na rin ng North Korea dito sa
I like your idea. Siguro maiksi lang. Of course.
Ang huli ko kasing sinubaybayan, John and Marsha.
Ako Mang Kepwe. Malito akong bata talaga.
Joey and Sons.
Julian San.
Channel na, bongga. Diba? O eto na, magtatanong mga vloggers natin. Unahin muna natin. Eto nagtitrending to kasi Lokasta. Ano ko? Ano siya kasi?
My first question is for Ogie.
Sorry.
Okay lang.
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi I was there dun sa launch ng makeup brand ni Regina. She was able to tell us that she did your makeup once for your comedy sketch.
Yes.
Because I wonder if you're gonna like be offered to do comedy sketches again for, of course, your home network now. Would you let her do your makeup again?
Of
What do you
course.
think?
Eh, hindi nga ako marunong eh. That's really one of her gifts. She's a really good makeup artist. So, magaling siya mag-drawing. So, you notice, pag nagka-concert siya, or pag photo shoots, someone will fix her hair, but she does her own makeup. Unless it's very stylized where meron silang gustong look no, na hindi niya masyadong alam. But otherwise, she's the one who does her own makeup. So, kaya bagay na bagay siya sa BYS. Ang panoorin mo nung minikapan ko siya, it's
Napanood ko, that's why I asked her.
You
about
saw
that.
that one,
Yes.
yung minikapan ko siya.
Yes, that's why I asked her.
So, Meron na
Nakakatawa
mag-makeup si
yun.
Ogie. Ano mo?
Okay naman. Ayun,
Ay,
diba?
yung makeup ko, syempre pangit. Hindi siya okay. Inaalala ko yung play na yan. Bakit nga ba?
Ay, talagang
Because di ba nawala yung nawala yung -1 natin, isang acapella.
Ikaw ba kung
Sa taal yan eh. Sa
Yeah,
taal.
sa taal.
Naalala ko na, meron nga pala akong ginawang musical na gano'n. Kasi naalala ko yung sinisigawan tayo ng director ba? Si Director Torre.
Sorry. About some...
Ikaw pala yung nanay ko doon. Napugutan ako ng ulo doon. Yung role ko.
Sabi ko,
Welcoming her.
I think we were so happy for her, and it was very obvious that she was happy herself. She was so radiant that day. Kumaga kulang yung words, and you could tell everybody that passes by her, or they would say, "Oh, we're so happy for you. You deserve it." And I think it was just fitting that we gave her a tribute. I think she really wants to downplay all of these things because she's a very private person. But nevertheless, she allowed us to at least greet her and celebrate with her. It was really moving. At the same time, very celebratory. So it was great. Yeah.
Tototohanin mo bang washing machine ang regalo?
Tinanong ko siya, meron na daw siya. Sabi ko, hindi, wala ba talaga yung washing machine? Sabi, meron na po kami. Ganun.
Kami
Ay, ganun na talaga. Diba?
Apparently,
it's provided for where they live. Meron ng washing
it's
machine.
already there. Kuya Ogie, is Ian your new Jano Gibbs?
Wow.
Kasi ikaw ang laging nakikita, kasama partner mo lagi, katande mo lagi is always Jano.
Or Michael V.
Yeah, is it now Ian?
Yeah, he's definitely my new partner. You try to really. I'd like to do more concerts with him. Hopefully we can do more tours together. This concert is so tourable. If there's such a term. And I think there are a lot of audiences around the world that would love the music that we are singing. If you notice, I was watching you earlier, all of you guys, and you were getting into it. You were instantly reminiscent of all the songs. So I'd love to, maybe we can bring this to Mars or I don't know.
Manonood ba ang inyong mga asawa?
Secret.
And lastly, I wanna put you and the band on the spot.
Me?
You,
Oh,
Ian,
yeah.
and then the band. Your song for Sarah and Matteo, if there's any song.
Well, I guess ikaw lamang, kailangan kita without the bad parts. So may mga parts din, ngunit ito ay panaginip lamang. Wala yung mga part na yun. But it's, kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Taas ang
Hindi, pagdating sa mga ganyan, Kaya nga, I'm an actor who dabbles in music and si Ogie ang singer who dabbles in acting. So, yun, sakop na niya ako dun.
Daya.
Sakop na niya yun.
Wala kang naisip na top of mind na song for the two?
Because basically all songs are love songs. Whether it's disco, heavy metal, blues, ballads. Lahat naman ng kanta
May subtle love meaning, ha?
always, every song is a love song. So, ako, ano mga na-enjoy ko? First time I fell in love was long ago. I didn't know how to give my love at all.
Sorry, ha?
Kasi may isang Korean star na pinapakinggan niya yung kanta nila Alcasid.
Oh, yeah.
Better Weather. Ano ba reaction nila lang? Parang napitin kayo ng mga Korean star.
Hindi kasi ano yun eh. Piniplay niya yung song nung anak ko, then he was dancing to it. I forgot his name.
So,
Something. Cute naman. I mean, I think once your daughter's song gets recognized, especially by another country like South Korea who loves music, I think it's nakakatuwa. Very proud of my daughter. She really, mga pinakarir niya yan eh, magsusulat na ng kanta, and she sticks to what she believes in. Hindi ako nakikialam kasi when she writes music, I let her just create what she wants to create. And
Ito si Sir Ogie, tinanong po, sinabi nyo kanina na kung sino yung mga tumatawag ng tito sa inyo sa ASAP, di ba? Si Ian ba, sino yung usually mga young celebrities na tumatawag?
DJ tsaka sikat.
Yung sa mga Black Sea character. Ang Josh Lia ba? Josh Lia ba tawag sa inyo tito?
yung mga zombie.
Yung mga zombie. Tito Ian. Ay, kami ni Dimples, pang-asagrusahan tito, pang-asagrusahan niya tita. Pero as a joke lang kaming dalawa. Pero normally, Papa E ang tawag
Papa E.
sa akin. Yes. Sila Julia and even the staff, mas maraming Papa E.
Last question ko, Sir Ian, kasi nauuso ngayon parang May December love affair sa isang movie or sa isang teleserye. Kung meron ba kayong choice to have partner na magiging May December love affair nyo, sino yung mga younger generation ngayon that you want to be yung ganong klaseng peg ng story? Given a chance to choose.
Marami talaga. Pero depends sa age ng character. Depende sa story talaga. It's not just based on marketing. Pero for me, it should be based on the actual script and yung binabagay ng character.
Pero okay sa inyo gumawa ng ganon?
Oh, naman. I love doing movies and TV. I love telling stories.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
I'd like yung bubble gum.
Nami-miss. Lalo na si Bitoy. Although kapitbahay ko naman siya, so I see him. Recently, we did a project together, so na-miss ko yun.
Ano
Bagong
project
ganun.
yun together?
Lalabas man, soon.
May teaser na.
May teaser na.
Pwede na sabihin, soft drinks.
It's for Coke, so. But, yung pagpupuyat sa babagang, hindi ko nami-miss. Kasi, yung magbibigis ka buong araw kung ano character, hindi siya madali eh. It's, but working with him and of course the rest of the guys, nami-miss ko yun.
Kasi you're